Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Caribbean Mornings, What's on the Breakfast Table. In this episode, I am going to share with you how I make my delicious pumpkin soup for breakfast. It is so delicious, so easy to make, and it's inexpensive. So guys, get ready. Come on, let's go. As you guys know, first things first, let me introduce you to the ingredients. I have my pumpkin hair, I have my carrot, I have some Irish potatoes, I have some corn, I have my Maggie seasoning, I have my better than bouillon vegetable paste, onion, garlic. In this bunch here, I have thyme, parsley, and string onions or green onions, soup flavor mix, scotch bonnet pepper, or any pepper you can find. But this is totally optional. You do not have to use it, especially if you're going to feed to the kiddos. Please skip the pepper. I have a beautiful yuca. And I have two Choyotes. In the Caribbean, we also call these Christophins. So for my Caribbean people, Christophins, guys. We have some celery also, a can of coconut milk. The flavorings, I'll show you that as I put it into my soup. But these are all the main ingredients you are going to need for your delicious pumpkin soup. If you cannot find yuca, just go ahead and use your Irish potatoes, or if you have yam, any root vegetable, you can go ahead and put it in there. Or if you have green plantains, feel free to put that in there if you cannot find yuca where you live. And guys, that's it. Very easy, very simple ingredients. Get my pumpkin ready. And I'm just removing the seeds and the pulp. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just take the skin off my pumpkin. And I'm just going to cut up my pumpkin. And you can cut it up into any size that you like, guys. I'm also going to go ahead and cut up my corn. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my skin off my yuca. Okay guys, in this pot I have about 3 quarts of water, which I've already brought to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and add my pumpkin to that. Going to put the top on and just let my pumpkin cook. While my pumpkin is getting ready, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my vegetables ready. So for my Choyote or Christophine, I'm going to leave the skin on. And I'm just cutting lengthwise. And it's up to you how many Choyotes you want to use or Christophines you want to use. I'm using 2. But if you would like, guys, feel free to go ahead and use protein if you like. So as I've said before, guys, with any recipe, please make it your own. Go ahead and add your protein in there if you would like to have protein in there. And I'm keeping my onions in large chunks. Everything is ready for our pumpkin soup. We are just waiting for our pumpkin to really cook down, and we are going to add the rest of our ingredients for our delicious pumpkin soup. Okay guys, so this is it. This is what you want to see. Our pumpkin is all melted. It's beautiful and has a beautiful orangey yellow color. This is what you want. Now we are going to go ahead and start adding our vegetables and seasoning our soup. Onions and garlic. I'm going to add this in here. Add my carrots, my chayotes, my celery, see guys, look how beautiful this is. Once your chayote and your carrots are in, now you start adding your seasonings like your salt and anything else that you want to add. A tablespoon of Maggie chicken bouillon, and a tablespoon is not too much guys because I have no salt in here yet. A tablespoon of adobo, so this is how you add all your flavorings, and please do not add any salt yet. After you add all your seasonings, you are going to go in, and if you need to adjust the salt, then you do it at that point. Do not add any salt right now. Going to also add a tablespoon of one of my favorite seasonings, and this seasoning is from a brand called the Spice Affair that I stumbled upon and I really love it, and it's the one all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of that also. This seasoning is so great. So go ahead and add any seasonings that you love, guys, that you normally use at home. A pack of the Grace cock flavored soup. Or if you find a chicken flavored soup. I'm going to use a strainer because I do not want the noodles. I only want the flavorings. So I'm just using a strainer to get all of the flavorings that's in there out without adding the noodles. I'm going to give this a little mix. Add my string onions, my thyme, and my parsley in here. And my pepper, my Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm going to place the lid on and allow all of my flavorings to infuse before I add the rest of my ingredients. I'm just going to check on my soup. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take my pepper out of my soup because I do not want my soup to be too spicy because I'm going to be feeding to my son. Beautiful. So our Christophines or Choyote is about half cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add Irish potatoes and my Yuca. The Irish potatoes and the Yuca do not take long to cook, so this is why I'm adding that in last. And I'm also going to be adding my corn. And if you do not have Yuca, or you cannot find Yuca, guys, go ahead and make a few little dumplings. Just some flour, water, and salt. And you can add that to your soup. I love using the Yuca in my soup because when the Yuca cooks, it thickens up my soup a little bit. And the Yuca just tastes so good. So my corn. And you can add as much or as little as you want, guys. As I said earlier, I'm not using any protein. So this is why I'm putting so many things in here because I also want my pumpkin soup to be filling. Beautiful. Looks like it's a lot, guys, which it is, but that will simmer down and that will cook down and the liquids will reduce a little bit. Add a heaping tablespoon of my bouillon paste, and this one is better than bouillon, and this one is just a vegetable base. As I said, I'm going on the vegan route today. I'm not using any protein. So I'm going to go ahead and flavor my soup as much as possible. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little stir because I want my paste to dissolve in there. I'm going to put the lid back on and just let this cook and reduce. Okay, guys, our pumpkin soup is almost done. I went ahead and I added some of my coconut milk to this, about 3/4 of the can. Now is the time to make adjustments to your seasonings. So I'm going to go ahead and taste for salt. Make sure I have enough salt and seasonings in here. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. I'm going to put the top on and just let this simmer for about 5 more minutes and it will be done. Okay guys, our delicious pumpkin soup is done. It looks amazing. It smells so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Caribbean Mornings, What's on the Breakfast Table, where I shared with you how I make my delicious pumpkin soup for breakfast. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how you like your pumpkin soup, if you've ever made pumpkin soup before, if you make it differently than how I made it, or if you just someone who loves to have protein with your pumpkin soup, whether it be chicken or tripe or whatever it is you like to have. As you guys notice, I shared with you, I did not add any protein to my pumpkin soup. So I hope you learned something new today, and I hope most of all that you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. Now, let's eat. There it is, guys. Look how beautiful this soup is. And you do not need any protein to have a beautiful or enjoy a beautiful soup. So I hope this recipe is one that my vegan viewers will love. Amazing. Look guys, there's my yuca in here. And this is the trick to the yuca. I do not just put yuca in there just because. The yuca thickens up your soup a little bit. And this is what I like. I do not really like a runny soup. And with the addition of the yuca, after it boils in there, it will just thicken up your soup. So this is the trick. This is my tip to you. If you can find yuca, always add yuca to your pumpkin soup. Amazing. And this is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.